motivation to pick up a live project and take it to the screen now?
Okay, yeah, it wasn't as if I sat down one day and thought I want to make a feature film. I made a short film in 2015, which was about my father, and it charted 2 to 3 days of his existence in this room. And during this time, his wife, my mother, she'd left because he drank a lot, and he stayed in his room and he didn't eat anything. He didn't go outside, and I had this urge to make a film about that would chart 2 to 3 days of his existence in this room, and so I had this film that we shot in 2015. It was about 30 minutes long, and we showed it in 2 or 3 gallery spaces. And I can't remember whether it was slightly before we shot it now, but I decided to write another short film about my uncle, Lawrence. And there's a point where I had these 2 short films written, and I thought if I could write another short film that interconnected these 2 pieces, then I would have a feature-length triptych. And when we shot this first film, we used this to showcase the potential of the whole project to funders to get funding for it. I think with documentary photography, I can only, or you know, photographers can only extrapolate from what's there in reality, and with fictional film, you have to stage everything first, and you use actors, and you try to stage everything and then extrapolate from that and create your own reality. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's going to be a difference.